Hello my dear children, last class we discussed two-dimensional array. Today we will discuss about interchanging the diagonal in 2D array. How will you do? See, Java program to interchange the diagonal of a 2D array. So here original matrix are given 4 by 4. 4 by 4 matrix is given. You have to interchange the left and right diagonal elements. After interchanging the left and right diagonal, it will come like this. What happens? In first position 4 will come, and fourth position what will come? 1. So how will you do this? See here we have made the elements in this way: 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3. So 0 1 2 3 in 0 column, 1 2 3 4 is there. First row 5 6 7 8, second row 9 10 11 12, and third 13 14 15 16. Now have to interchange 0 row 0 column, what was that? 1. 0 row and third column, what was that? 4 elements. 1 row 1 column, which element was that? 6. 1 row second column, what was that? Which element? 7. Second row second column, which element? 11. Second row first column, which element? 10. Third row third column, which element? 16. Third row 0 column, which element? 13. Now you have to interchange this left and right diagonal, so it will become like this. Now we come to our program. We are using here as a scanner class. You have to enter the row and column in matrix. Then you have to int n is equal to scanner class you have to use. Then you input a of row and column, how many elements not given, so you have taken as a n. A new int n row and n column. Now we are inputting the 2D array. For inputting the 2D array, we have to use row and loop. Which loop? I and j. I for row and j for column. Now you have to print that. After that you have to print the original matrix. Now you have to print the original matrix. This part is for the printing the original matrix. So your original matrix is this. This you have to print no. So what you have to do? You have to print this way. After that you have to swap the element. Now you have to swap the element. What? For int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Then you have taken temporary variable int temp is equal to a of I I. Here also a of I, and here also a of I n minus 1 minus I. Here a of I n minus 1 minus I and temp. Here we are using one formula for swapping the element. Why? Because here have you seen that row are same, 1 2 3, and here also 1 2 3 row are same. So we are focusing only which part? Column part. See the column part 0 1 2 and 3. Here column part 3 2 1. One is here column is increasing and here column is decreasing. For now what we'll do? So for that purpose we are using one formula. Which formula? For I implies 0 to n minus 1. Now that formula will be applied here. I is what? 0. N is how many elements? N is equal to 4. 4 elements. 4 minus 1 minus 0, what will give you? 3. Now this 3 will be here. Now we'll get one element. What was that? 3. And 3, now see 0 3. 0 3 is which element? This 0 3. Now what will happen? 4 will be come here and 1 will be come here. Likewise have to do the second part. Now what was that? 4 minus 1 minus 1. So what will give you? 2. Now 1 2. This was 1 2. 1 2 means a of I bracket n minus 1 minus I. So what will give you? 2. So 1 2. So this will, what was the 7? The 7 will be come here and 6 will be come here. So in this way you have to swap all the elements. After swapping all the elements you have to print. After swapping all the elements, now you have to print the interchange diagonal elements for using the I and j loop. Then you have to print a of I and j. Then after that print. Now after entering, the output will be here. You have to enter how many? You have to enter the number of row and column. All the elements you had to be enter. The original matrix will be come here because we have used the original matrix for input. No. Then after that printing matrix will come here after interchanging. After interchanging the matrix will come here. See that 1 4 what will come here 4 1 5 and 6 and 7 7 and 6 10 and 11 11 and 10. Then what was that 13 and 16 16 and 13. In this way left and right diagonal you had to interchange. Now we come to the next program. What was that? A double dimension array is defined as n 4 by 4 to store numbers. So write a program to find the sum of all even numbers and product of all odd numbers of the element to store in double dimensional array. Same way to use the scanner class, and one data type, integer data type we have taken 4 by 4, and we taken anyway store data type we have taken long data type have taken for storing sum of even number and product. Now you have to enter the elements 4 by 4 matrix. Same way you have to use I and j. Then after that here you I and j. Then after that here you are using one if condition. Which condition? If condition. If n of I and j modules 2 is equal to 0 0, what you have to do? Sum. Otherwise you have to do the product. Now this logic how will you do? See that here. Here we have used index 5 2 1 7 3 2 4 8 1 3 5 6. So 0 0 which element was that? 5. 0 1 which element? 2. 0 0 2 which element was that? 1. And 0 3 which element was that? 7. So this way we have input the elements. In this element you have to take the even number. Which all the elements are even, that even numbers you have to do the sum. So we here first 0 row which even number are there? 2. And first row which element are there? 2 4 8. Second row which elements are there? 6. Third row which element? 2 and 4. So all this you have to sum of all the even numbers you will get as a 28. So how will you do the sum? Sum is what? 0. 0. Sum is 0. So here. Sum is 0. So what you have to do? Even sum plus n of I j. 0 plus n of I and j. Which element was there? 5. 0 plus 5, what was that? 5. So 5 is an odd number. Now we come to what? Now we come to the else part. Else part what was that? Or product. We have stored product as a 1. 1 into 5, what it will give you? 5. Now we get the product of odd number. So we have to print the product of odd number. In this we have to find out the odd number and even number. Now we come to the third program, addition of two matrix. In this part you have to addition of two matrix. So you have to take int a, you have to give the elements. How many elements are given? 2 and 3. 2 row and 3 column. Int b also you have given 2 row and 3 column. Now you have to create the another matrix for storing the sum of two matrix. You have to create one more and of two matrix. Int c row and column is equal to new int c 2 and 3. Now after that you have to do the addition and printing of the matrix. For that same purpose you have to apply I and j. Then you have to write c of I and j is equal to a of I and j plus b of I and j. You have to add both the matrix of a and b, and after that print c. Then the output will be 2, 6, 11, 15, 8, 7. How it will come? See that here. A matrix and this was the B matrix. 1 plus 1, 2. 3 plus 3, 6. 4 plus 7, 11. 6 plus 9, 15. 4 plus 4, 8. 5 plus 2, 7. This way you will get the output of addition of two matrix. Hope my dear children have understood this program. If you find any difficulty, you can text me. Thank you, my dear children.